Hey everyone, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1967 Chevy Camaro. What a gorgeous custom paint job here. Now the purpose of these virtual test drives are for the potential buyer to get a little bit better of an insight, how the car looks, how it drives out on the road, how it sounds out there. If you want all the details and specs and everything, when we're done going over to volocars.com, we have a whole write-up on it, everything from engine, trunk, we have undercarriage pictures, it's been in our studio. And also, don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notifications for the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the car of your dreams. Ooh, that gold just glistens in the sun. Door pops open with these custom bucket seats, looks like. Pretty comfortable. Thing looks almost brand new inside. All right, let's buckle up here. Looking at the dash, I'm not seeing any tears or anything. Except the seats, the little suede looks nice. Let's start it up. Start it up. It has the power windows too. This thing looks awesome. I work in the shop here, so this is the first time any of us get to actually take it out on the road. And so we're gonna know if there's any hiccups, anything needs to be done with it. Updated stereo. Fan kicks on. Has your speedometer, tachometer, your extra gauges down there for your fuel, battery, engine temp, oil pressure. So let's go ahead and take this out on the road. So I'm gonna start off just kind of cruising a little bit, get used to it, and then we're gonna open it up later on in the video. Steering's nice and tight. You move it just a little bit, the whole car moves too. Drives nice and straight. See the speedo working, tachometer's working. We'll check the engine temp in the video. Shifts right there, nice and smooth too. Brakes feel great, not too hard or soft. Not hearing too much going over the bumps. Feels like a real solid car. No jerking at all when it shifts right there. Real nice. Here we'll get on it a little bit here and then a little more on the way back. Definitely got some power, easy to control going down here. Wow. Now that's fun. That wasn't even getting on it all the way. some gusto. Go through the gears a little manually here. Really smooth shifting, not a single jerk or anything at all. God. Woo! And when you're already going and get on it, it has more to give you there. Wow. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and then head on over to volocars.com. Get all the specs and pricing. And as always, I appreciate you.